Reading is also very important. Actually, reading and writing are complementary, you know. You read more, it will help your writing more. If you read more English poems, you will understand how English poem works, how they sound. So read a lot before you start writing, that's okay. Now I will come to this practical session, and here I would start, because we are talking about a story, so I would start with mini saga, and Kanakon and Praveen knows what mini sagas are, but if those who do not know what mini saga is, I would say that mini saga is a very short story, only in 50 words. I repeat, 50 words, no more, no less. And to show you just example, I would ask Rojita to put this first slide on the screen so that okay, so you see that there are 3 examples of mini sagas. Exclude the title and the writer's name in the bracket, and then you will find that they are only 50 words, no more, no less. So one is from Melan Meli, another is from Motikala, and another is from me. And you could see 3 different kind of mini saga. And they are story because they have plot and they have characters. And the third one, they have also the dialogues, as you could see. And this is a very very skillful way to write a whole story in 50 words. I forgot the name of one writer who has written the shortest story in the world, which was in just 1 sentence. Because you see that all these stories you can develop in a full-fledged story. And if you have got the hang of it, I would ask you to write a mini saga, that is a story in 50 words. And you can do this by squeezing your story which you have submitted to the group. All of you have submitted your story to the group, and your story you have written. So you can rewrite this story in 50 words. I think it's not possible now, because at least you have to 15 minutes to do that. But maybe you can do this as a homework. I'm sorry to say this word homework, but maybe you can do it and later you can share in the group. Okay? Or if you want to try it right now, you can do it. The stories, I repeat, the stories which you send to the editors of this group, you can try to write that story as a mini saga, which is in 50 words. If you cannot do this right now, you can do it later on, and then you can post it in the group, and everybody can enjoy it, share it, comment it, whatever. Okay? And I think that there is no time to do this.
I wanted to ask one thing.
So yeah.
So this mini sagas, like these are these like ideas, pitching ideas before we write the story, or they are themselves story, complete story, or so? Just I wanted to know that. Are we pitching our idea
They
before
are
we
complete
writing, before we
stories.
develop the full story, or okay?
No. They are complete stories. They are published now. But for the exercise sake, I ask you to write a mini saga based on your story which you have submitted. But you can write on any subject if you like, you know. You can write without thinking of any short story or whatever.
Looking, reading the story that you are showing as an example, so it seems that there is some kind of story arc already here. It's like when I read the first one, there is some kind of background there, then some kind of tension is going on there, so it's like conflict is also there, so there is a story element in them. So based on that also you can say that they're kind of complete story. Meanwhile, I also think that this will be very effective strategy for us before we start our complete story. Before we start that also, we can bring the idea in our head, and we can write our idea this way, like in 50 words, and after that we can keep on expanding also. So I think this we can use this as a strategy also. So just I feel that.
Yes, you can do both ways. Either you can, for exercise sake, you can convert a full-fledged story into a mini saga, or you can expand a mini saga into a full-fledged story, or even a novel, Or you can write just a mini saga, not depending upon any full-fledged story.
The word saga is sort of new for me. So where are these ideas, originated? Is there anything like that, sir? These mini sagas, where are
May I just
they
send the definition
initiated, something like that?
Mini saga.
Yes, somebody was saying something about.
Yeah.
Now
was telling something. Please.
Okay. Now.
Yeah.
Now, if you want me to give a definition of mini saga, I hate definitions, because definition is never tell you everything about that. For example, if you ask you to define a cow or a man, how would you define? So it's better to give example rather than to define. Because in definition, always there is something missing. So instead of doing that, I show the example. So I have shown you example, and the mini sagas are there. So you make your own definition about of that. The only thing there is that it has to be of 50 words, 50 words. Okay?
Kanakon, would you like to add something? I think you were attempting to speak.
I just said I have sent the definition of mini saga, and also you can see it in the writer group in the messenger right now, and also the example that Vishnu just showed us. The extension my father, extension meaning freedom.
Okay, so while we are listening to Vishnu sir, if you have anything in your mind which you can write like in 50 words, yeah, and if you have already written something, please feel free to share, and because we want to make this session interactive, yeah, we can write anything that comes to your mind, and that should be, as he said, like 50 words, and it has a story. So please feel free to say. So Vishnu sir will continue then. Or if you have any questions.
Shall we proceed now, Praveen?
Yes, we can. If anyone would like to share this 50-word story, maybe Anisa is trying to say something. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I've just written it. I'll be typing it in my chat while he continues, if that's okay.
Or you can read
Hello?
it. Yeah, you can read
Yeah, okay.
it. I
Shall I?
think it would be, yes. Yes, sure.
He fell asleep, but she left early. Their fight had ended their 5 years of struggle to keep up their love. She packed her everything, including their photo, on the desk. But she left her best pair of shoes, for he was still her prince, which she found and lost. Whom she found and lost, okay.
Nice. Who is it?
Yeah, anyone else? Anisa. So Anisa, if you have your story, can you
Anisha.
please paste in like here chat, and Rosita can, show it in one of the slides if possible.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Please continue.
Right. Okay, so Rojita, please show the second slide.
I want to share story.
Mhm.
Um,
Yes.
she was 24. She was married to unknown person. She couldn't adapt with her new family. She wanted to get pregnant very soon. She thought her baby would be the medium just to communicate with the family members. Then her baby became her companion lifelong.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
I also would like to share a story.
Yeah. Well, very nice. Yeah.
Okay, I was a tea person. One day I met a coffee person in a cafe. The coffee connected us, took over my heart, and also gave us a hope. With an unexpected departure of the person, I threw away my coffee, reverted to tea. Now I'm a tea person again.
It's very symbolic.
Okay. Yeah.
Can connect to
Good.
this, Praveen.
Yeah.
Okay, I am done,
Praveen.
guys, with my mini saga.
Mhm.
Oh, please. We'd
I
like to
am
hear.
done with Praveen. Shall I start?
Yep. Yep. Sure. We would like to hear because we have been reading your writings.
Okay. Okay, guys. I don't know how it is. I hope you like it. The story's name is Road, ROAD, and it's a new thing for me that Vishnu sir introduced all of us, and it was really nice listening to the stories of the other writers. Okay, my story starts like this. It was a scorching May afternoon. We were walking on the road. It was already the time for lunch, but we had nothing to eat. Sam blabbered, "I can see the sky getting lit with stars." We kept on walking, realizing that Sam was still hallucinating. Then I collapsed on the road. Thank you.
Sounds great.
Anyone else would like to share? Vishnu sir, please.
Okay. Thank you all, and I'm very glad that you guys could write your mini sagas in such a short span of time. And I know that it was a very brief time, otherwise you could have written even better. They are a very good piece of writing. And maybe Praveen will post them on the group, and then we could see, and many people could enjoy that. All of them are good. You see, I would like to suggest that if you give a twist to your end, then it would be even better. Twisting the tail, Okay, so let's do another